How to change JPG to PDF on OneDrive. Do you need to convert an image into PDF using OneDrive? It's easier than you think. Let me show you how. First of all, open your OneDrive and find the JPG file. Right click on it and choose download. Save it to a convenient location. Now open the image using the Photos app. Like this. Once it's open, click on the printer icon or press Ctrl P to bring up the print options. In the printer drop-down, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Hit print, choose where to save the PDF and give it a name. I'll give it a name right here. I'll name it FIFA on Documents. Oh, let's do desktop. Done. You've now converted our JPG image into PDF using simple built-in tools. It's right here. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.